Okay, let's see what's going on here. Well. So, where did I leave off? Let's just get a clear view. Let's see here. Let's do a wireframe, make sure our filters. Let's see what kind of systems. Okay, looks like our systems are good. Systems are all set and ready to go on the first floor. So I think what I'm gonna need to do is go to the second level. Let's take a look at that. Second level here and do the same thing. Let's look at our wireframe. Okay, and make sure our filters, let's look at our filters and see what's going on. Make sure all of our systems are on. Let's see where I left off. As I know there was a few systems that I need to establish on the floor plan. So it looks like hot water, cold water vent, everything is there. Cold water vent, sanitary, yes. Okay, so looks like I'm gonna need some water services and a vent on my the south end of this plan. I know there's no door here, huh? Let's see, can I do this? Create similar. Yeah, there's a door. Let's put it over here. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Uh-oh, what happened? Wonder why they didn't take. Okay, well, I'm not an architect, so I'm gonna leave that alone. Let's go back to the first floor. Okay, and so what I'm gonna need to do is create 3 risers for my cold water, hot water, and my hot water return. So first, let's see what kind of fittings I have. Let's go to properties and look at the settings. It's a wire combination, but what I want is a vent, T reducing vent. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's do this. Let's create a similar pipe and come from here and say about right there, because what I don't want to do is create a riser where that line has been highlighted. Okay, so I'm gonna go down just a little bit and I'm gonna go up. Let's go up 20 feet and apply that riser. So there's one riser for my cold water, create similar for the second system, and let's take it about to right there. Yeah, that's good. Same elevation, let's go 20. Okay, and apply the riser, and last but not least in the equation, let's do the hot water return. Okay, let's go about right there. And the same thing, we go up 20 feet and apply that guy. Now, okay, so that's the first level. Okay, that looks good. Second level, and those are our risers. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this sanitary. Okay, and I don't care that they are interfering. You can see that they're interfering with the waste, but I'm not going to worry about that. The contractor is going to do that. So we can go back to our filters and let's filter out the waste. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to bring my hot water and cold water down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, I love it. So hot water return, hot water and cold water. Okay, now so my hot water return, that's my hot water return, that is my hot water is always on the left. That's my vent system, and that is a cold water connection. So hot water return, let's make sure that the systems are all go. System type, we're good. And my PVC, okay. And we can go over, let's go over to about right here and use my align tool, which is modify, and let's align one pipe to the other. Okay, yeah, that looks good. That's the hot water return, and this is cold, this is hot water. Okay, let's go back. And Revit likes to default to particular systems that was used last. So we're going to have to correct its vision. So now we can continue with what we were doing. Okay. And again, let's align this guy. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. That looks pretty good. So the next is going to be cold water. Yeah, so I don't know, Revit just kind of makes up his own mind what he wants to do. I think because of the hot water and hot water return are so close. So again, we're going to do a line. And now let's look at a section view, because what I want to do is I need to trim. Let's go clockwise 90 degrees and move this guy over, and because that's highlighted, I can right click anywhere and go to that view, right? Okay, so we are here, right? That's the first level. Second level. Okay, we are here. Let's go here and let's trim this guy here. 1, 2, 3. Let's delete my construction line or detail line. I'm gonna go, let's go to a 3D view. Okay, and let's look at the filters. Looks like my filters are all off except for a couple. Okay, so where am I? I'm here. Okay. So these, I think these are going to be 3/4 inch. These are 1/2 inch. So just to make things light, I'm going to change all of these to a 3/4 inch just to make it easier. Okay, so all these are 3/4 inch. Now I can make the connection, right? So let's fill it, the cold water, fill it. I think, do I have to get out of that mode? Fill it. Fill it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now let's go back to the second level and continue with our connections. I can connect the hot water return, which is what I should do, but I'm not going to do that. What I will do is connect my hot water, okay, with my hot water there. And while I'm at it, I might as well do the cold water. Cold water is connected here. That looks good. And the same thing, cold water connection and my hot water connection. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. So the next thing we need to do is I'm just going to check make sure the fixture units are being counted. So let's just any random, let's make sure the circuit's not broken, because if it is, it's going to say 0 somewhere, right? Okay, so everything's being counted. Fixture units 4.5. Fixture units, I just need a number. So that's the hot water return. I think I know why. Wait a minute. Oh, the hot water return doesn't need a fixture units. We don't count fixture units hot water return, which makes sense. Hot water needs fixture units. And let's see. Yeah. Okay, we're good. I think that what's going to need to happen if we turn on all of our, I need to do my vent system, right? For the second level, I'm going to go back and turn off my water connections. Okay, so let's do that. And Yeah, because the vent system here, here, and here. So the middle part of this fixture is my vent, which is here. Okay, and let's see what Revit's doing. Yeah, it's defaulting to my sanitary, but I want to change that. Let's change it. Okay, I'm going to erase this again, and let's see what happens. It should go back to my vent system, right? Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like. So we go here and just kind of offset that a little bit there and go to my elevation, which is, it's in the ceiling at 10'8", and I can either go 145 or 135. Let's go up just a little bit there. Yeah, okay. And let's go over here. Yeah, that's good. And do the same thing for the other two lavatories, and for my drain needs a vent because it has a trap on it. So we go here, should be a vent defaulted, and we go here off the line. Okay, go back here and change my elevation again to 10'8". Who do we appreciate, right? And go here. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see if I can draw this doing this. See, yeah. So here, let's go here, and then come up at 10'8". Nope, 10'8". Okay, and let's go 145 or 135. Okay, yeah, okay. Let's go back to the wireframe so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, okay. So the last, let's get this floor drain vent. Okay, so that should be a vent system. Yes. That may not. Let's see how much room we got. Let's go about right there, and go up again 10'8", and 135. Ah, just made it, huh? Yeah, I took a chance on that one. Otherwise, Revit would complain. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. And go here. Looks like that's gonna work. I'd like to. Let's just bring this out. Both of these guys. So I hit one control, and then I'm going to move my systems over a little bit using my arrow key. That looks a little better. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, now let's go to the 3D view. Let's highlight, make sure that we can go to the right location. And it looks like the vent system is not on. Let's filter these guys, do this so that we can see what we're doing. And I think that it is here. Okay, let's rotate that a little bit so we can get a good look of the connection. And it should be a vent reducing, vent fitting. So let's extend one pipe to the other. Okay, and that looks good. That looks good. Coming off my floor drain. That looks good. Okay. And last but not least, let's make sure that we are counting fixtures. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. Let's see. So, okay, so we're just, let's just leave it at that. Let's leave it at 14. And, well, let me minimize this. Okay, go back to the first level, second level. Okay, and what I'm gonna need to do, second level waste, this is the plot file. So this is what's gonna be printed. Okay, that looks good. Except, no, that looks good. I got my vent system. Hot water return. Why is the hot water return on here? I think I know why. Because it's not filtered out, right? And so what I need to do, let's add the vent system and highlight P all the way down. That's my return. And let's do this. Let's move these guys up. The vent is going to go up. And hot water return is on. Everything is on. But what I need to do is turn everything off. Okay? Yeah. All right. So that's the plot file. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. And for plot water, second level. Okay. Okay. So I think I want my hot water to have 2 dashes. Let's do this. Let's go hot water systems. We need to go to hot water systems and right click on my type properties. And let's do, looks like the pattern is there. Okay. I'm gonna change this. I think that what's happening is create similar, what does it mean? I'll be long enough? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. So it's showing up, but I need to scale it tighter. Let's make it tighter, tighter, tighter. And Phantom, let's see, where are we? Let's go double dash. Let's see. That didn't work either. What's what? Okay. 6 foot? Okay. Well, I'm not gonna let's look at this. I'm gonna go back and see if I can get my pipe type line, my line type to show as double dash, double dee-doo da dash, 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 dash. Maybe import domestic hot water 2. Man, that's not gonna work. Let's try another one. Okay. Man, what's going on? Triple dash? No, we don't want triple. Am I running out of options? Phantom. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to stop it here and pick that up next time. All right. So I hope that helped. Where am I? Okay, we're at 18. I think that's going to be it for the day. Creating these risers from the first level to the second level. And looked like everything came out okay. My plumbing fixtures seem to be populating or counting. Except for I got to get my line type correct, right? Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.